All right, everybody, welcome to assignment 4F. We expanded what we knew a little bit in the last assignment, which was 4E. So what we talked about a little bit is this new idea of coefficient of determination and how it affects letter F, which is the percentage of Y that can be explained by the variation of X. But it's pretty simplistic, and most of these questions can be done real quickly as long as you know how to use your calculator. If you're still kind of baffled, back up a couple lessons and I explain how to find the different pieces in your calculator pretty quickly. However, I'm assuming that you know this, or you can at least ask a question in class. So we are going to get right down to it. So I enter my values. Okay, so I enter my various values. Again, where most of the magic happens is this calc, so F2, regression, F3, it's an X regression, and then again, you have another option that you should choose, not this one. It should be the A plus BX, not the AX plus B. You want to choose A plus BX. All right, so making my adjustments, I see that my R, or our R, I should say, is 0.7648. A is, again, that's my B, but your A should be A, 41290. And B is 1.8261. That leaves the equation to be y hat is equal to A, which is negative 4.1290, plus B, 1.8261, X. The coefficient of determination is R squared. R squared is 0.5850. What percentage can be explained? That would be 58.50%. To answer our prediction question, we begin by the formula that we wrote down a couple problems ago. And then what I need to do is I need to identify what is the Y variable and what is the X variable in the context of the problem. So I go back and I see, let the X be the student enrollment, and let Y be the number of burglaries. Okay, so what they tell me is ASU has an estimated 71.9 thousand students. So this 71.9 is an X. All right, so that is an X formula. So that 71.9 is my X. So this is going to be Y hat is equal to negative 41290 plus 18261X, which is now 71.9. So this is just straightforward. That would be the number of burglaries that would be expected. Okay, same idea with number 2. R in this situation comes out to be 97 sorry, negative 0.9897. A is 1,496.7846. Again, my calculator is different than your calculator. Follow what yours says. The B should be negative 1.4427, making the formula y hat is equal to A plus, or in this case minus, B x. Y hat is equal to A plus BX. What's the coefficient of determination? R squared is equal to 0.9796, excuse me. 9796. What is that a percentage of Y? Can be caused by a variation of X, and that's 97.16%. If you want to expect the maximum wind speed to be 175 miles per hour, get the lowest barometric pressure of the approaching cyclone. So this is a prediction. So y hat is equal to 1496.7846 minus 1.4427x. All right. So what I notice is that the y variable and the x variable. Okay. So the y variable. Okay, X be the lowest pressure, and the Y be the maximum wind speed. So X is the pressure, Y is the wind speed. Here they said the wind speed is 175 miles an hour. That is a Y variable then. So that puts the 175 in for Y. And we solve for X. And that would put the barometric pressure at 916.181. According to your calculations, this is a valid is this a valid correlations and prediction? And prediction of wind speeds approaching the cyclone. This is just saying, okay, this is just asking, hey, good math. You did all your math right. Good job, good job, good job. Now, do you believe it? You trust these numbers that you were just given? All right? And what this should stem off of is, in essence, your answer to E, F, but most notably R. If you recall how to read what R is on a scale of 0 to 1. 0 being awful, 1 being the best number that you could ever possibly get as far as accuracy of your prediction. All right, so the closer to the number 1, the better it is. And then the positivity or negativity just lets you know which direction the line is going. So that doesn't have really anything to do with the accuracy, but it's just kind of another general description. So what I noticed that this R is 0.98. That's incredibly close to the number 1. So what that is meaning is this prediction, this line that we created, this prediction, is incredibly accurate. It's uncanny how accurate it is. So according to your calculations, is this a good prediction? Yes, it is. Okay, yes, because 9897, okay, so R is close to 1. I'll just say that. That's easily understood. Yes, it is a very good prediction because R is close to 1.